channel. Today we will be designing this bottom sheet. Like this is the first part of the video. Uh, so in this first part, we will only design the bottom sheet. How we can design this view and above view. That means search view. This search view. When we click on the search view, we will when we click on this search view, will show one more search view with bottom sheet. So this is in this search view is different and bottom sheet view is different. So two views will come into role. Two views will be the major role right now. So let's get started. Now the height is 315. Remember, here in the right side, I will pause the video. Here in the right side, we have to give the 315 height of this bottom sheet. The exact design I will do it in a parts by parts. So first, only focus on the view height and how we can add the that search, that bottom sheet with the animation. Now we'll see. I will just move. Okay, come now. What we'll do? We'll go to the Xcode. Initially, what I have did, the search view controller, it is of XIB type. This also I have added the video in the my YouTube channel. Just go and search. Like the sentence is how we can add the view controller, UI view controller with the help of XIB view, not in the main view controller. XIB view also we can add the UI view controller. That also has the one video I have uploaded that video in the I will check once whether it is uploaded or not. If it is not uploaded, I will upload and just go through that. That's also one concept. So now we'll create that search view controller of that XIB type. Now and that go to that search view controller. Here the advantage of this one XIB search view control XIB UI view controller is mainly, suppose this search view is there, right? Bottom sheet view. So we can add one view here only, and we can the code will be very formulated, very proper manner. So that that is the advantage of adding the XIB, separating the UI view controller from the main. That's the one of the best advantage in the MVM architecture and MVP architecture. Also, it is more helpful in terms of big projects. It will segregate the view controller loading when you open the Xcode and click on the project. And that time loading time, if it is a big project, it will load slowly. It will load. But if it is here, most of the cases which I have seen is it will load immediately when you are using the XIB view as a UI view controller. Now, okay, this search suppose in the design, where it is in the design, see here, in the design search bar is there, right? I'll show the design. Just wait a minute. See here in the search, there is a search design, right? Exact design I haven't made. Just only focus. We will only design this search view, this bottom sheet view. So here now what I will do, I'll go to the video. Here in the video, here when we click on this button, I have to show the search view. That search view controller is already there. Now this is the search view controller 1. I'll pause the video. Search view controller 1. Here we are adding one button. See focusly. First this is a search view already it is, and one bottom sheet view I will show. We have to add center vertically, center horizontally, and we have taken one more view, that is search view. Why I have taken two views? One is view controller view, another one is a separate view. This second view is there, right? When we click on this button, it will show the bottom sheet. Here we have to design the bottom sheet. I think I hope you understood. This is for us. This is search view, because in the search view we have filter, healthy, technology, finance. This is search view controller. In that, when we click on this filter button, it will show. But for temporary purpose, I will only design this, and this filter button and this table view will add it in the next video. uh, since they haven't given proper design, we cannot able to do the designs here, so we cannot able to get the images. So just for temporary purpose only, I will be focusing on this bottom sheet, how we can add the bottom sheet. In that perspective, when we click on this, is treat it as a search view controller. When we click on this filter button is nothing but filter button. In the upcoming video you will get to know. uh, this is the bottom sheet. The second one is there, right? Second one which I have added, this is a bottom sheet. Now we'll focus on one. See, now this is a search view controller. When we click on this button, we have to show the bottom sheet. That's it. So now I will change the color from the design, and I will give the opacity as well. Just to see there, height 315, as I said earlier, 315 height we are giving. I will be giving the 4 constraint: bottom, leading, trailing. Top I am not giving, since because I am giving only height. That's what I am not giving the top constraints. You can in the, if you are a beginner, you just see, whenever you are editing the constraints, you have to go right side and click on the particular constraint, and you have to edit it in the easiest way. I am giving with a safe area relative margin. Just keep that in mind. This is the only video is showing nothing, but this is only bottom sheet which I am designing. So we'll go to search view controller. We have to add the UI view. Button action, first button action. When we click on the filter button, that is it is nothing but, this is nothing but filter button, search filter button. I have taken it as a search view action. I have removed the load. Here when we click this button, we have to show the bottom sheet. Now I will add 2 UI views. Earlier to that, I will be taking one boolean, because we have to toggle that boolean so that we can show and hide the bottom sheet. The code is available on the GitHub. I will add in the all 4 videos. If I earlier also haven't added previous tasks, I will add that also, so that code will be updated. See here what I have did. I have taken 2 UI views. You can see, I will pause the video. One is bottom sheet view. You can observe here. The main one is a search view. See here, this is a bottom sheet view. In the down second UI view, main one is a search view, and this is a bottom sheet view. This above one is search UI view controller. That only has the filter button. This button, the button which we have added, load search view action button, that is a search view action button, is nothing but filter button. It is just taken for temporary purpose, search view action. See, you can see here, search view I have taken 2 views, 2 characters. You can treat it as a 2 heroes, multi-star character. In the multi-star character, our focus is only on the bottom sheet, because he is the main hero for us now. Now I will, what I will do, I will change the frame of the search view and I will change the frame of the bottom sheet view. Bottom sheet view where we will focus, we will for animation purpose we will the bottom sheet view will play the main role. I will create one function, private function, and I will toggle that search view visible boolean. I will show you. Initially we have to search. Now search view frame I have to change here initially, because that is the main one, right? He right now at the current situation he is the main hero, so he we will change him his frames. Then inside his the one more multi-star character will come, that is a bottom menu, bottom sheet, that is also UI view, that he is also hero, but he is present inside the main role character. Now I will be adding, right now I have given 00, I will change now, and I have taken one boolean value, is search view visible. Now we will initially what I will do, it was false, right? We will toggle it here inside this boolean. I will be adding the bottom sheet frame, I will be changing the bottom sheet frame, I will be giving, see here. And remember one thing, we will here we will, whenever the click button is clicked, search view button is clicked, we will add and remove the search view, not the bottom sheet view. Bottom sheet view frame as usual it is there, but only we will add and remove this search view. You can see, you can observe in the upcoming part, like view width and view height, you can go through the previous videos. Here you can see view dot frame dot, I have created one extension. Extensions also I have created one separate video for that. I will add extension, I have created one extension and added the frame height and view frame height and width, and bounds, UI screen bound height and bound width also I have added. You can observe carefully. From there we will be getting, so that code will be more cleaner way. You can reuse that variable, right, anywhere in the view controller, right? Now view height and view width is there, so we will be running the application. We'll call that animate bottom sheet function. View height and view width, suppose see here, observe carefully, bottom sheet height y position I have given as a full view width, full view height, sorry, full view height I have, why I have given I will explain later, because that y position only we are changing. I will write some logic, see here, you can observe carefully now. Okay, now you can observe carefully here. Initially the when it is in when it is in false, sorry, search view visible is false, right? We have changed the view y position only, height width as usual same, you know, but final y position only we will be changing with the help of that boolean. Bottom sheet view we will be toggling, we will be toggling with the help of that boolean we will be changing the height. See, I have written some logic, view height minus bottom sheet view frame dot height. So will be initially, if it is false, it is taking as the view height, but if it is the reverse, if it is the downside, when it is going down, it will change the, it will minus the bottom sheet height, that's it. That is the simple logic. And now we'll toggle that boolean. And here animation duration, why I have taken, I will explain you, we will use the UI view animation here. So that's what I have taken animation duration. See why it is showing a immutable something error. Okay, we'll okay, initially now we'll add the UIV animation, no? First we'll mention the duration and else part as well. Delay with animation duration, we will mention that one, no? 1.0.5. Delay 0. Here the animation method we will mention here. The syntax you can just go through the from the any websites. Here options I have to mention which type of UIV animation. I will show the type also. When you right click that one, when you double click, what is the meaning and cursor. See, we'll go to the see curve is in out. That is nothing but one method specify an easy in out curve which causes the animation begin slowly, accelerate through the middle of its duration, then slow before completing. You just go through the definition. When we click on the right click, I will show. When we click on the options right click, you can see here this is the UI view, extension UI view, which are these are the methods, animation methods. So delay, you can what and all you need to pass. You need to pass some parameters. This is for beginners who don't know. Just I'll be repeating it this methods, what it will do. Just if you are a high level, if you are a mid level developer, just ignore this part of the video. uh, Here what it will do, animate, these are the methods, animate transition methods UI view. So you have to pass, it will ask the values. I want this, I want that, and all. Duration, what it will ask, it will ask duration. Delay, it will ask, it will ask the type of the animation, that is curve is in and out, that is one type of method. And as usual, the void method completion boolean also is there. You have to once the animation is done, else part will update the remove the view or something, will do the operation, some different operation, it depends. See, now what I will be doing in the else part, you can see here. Hmm. In the this bracket, one more completion also. After the completion, this is animation, it is done. What it is saying, it is changing the y position. After the completion, you have to do this one, it is saying the instruction. Oh, you have to do, man, you have to do this one. After the finishing the y position changes, you have to update or remove the whatever the code contains. It is setting the operations, it is setting the, it is saying you have to remove the search view and all like that. Suppose here, what it will be doing, it is changing the it is changing the search view, it is removing the search view, it is saying, sorry, uh, here from here, remove the super, remove from super view, the search view, main search view only we are removing. That means bottom sheet also gone. And toggle the boolean, that is the simple logic which I have written here. What I have did, I will explain again. Bottom sheet frame, wipe frame we are changing, search view frame also we are changing, but focus is mainly on what, bottom sheet, but we are removing the search view. That's it. There it is. Okay, now we'll take one more button. When we click on that button, it has to close the, this bottom sheet has to close. For that purpose I am using that button. You will get to know in a couple of minutes, you will get to know. We'll be giving the 0 0 constraint. Remove, close or remove, close search view, that's it. We are adding and closing the search view itself, not bottom sheet. Bottom sheet we are only focusing on the animation. Whenever you have the bottom sheet or something animations, you do like this logic only, because it is more useful, which compared to other methods, you can do a number of ways, but this is one of the best method which I have found. See, we will be adding the button. This is the button for whole view. Whenever you click this button, it will close. That's it. Or you can use the one more convenient way is tap gestures. Instead of closing search view, tap gestures also you can use. See, that's it. See what it is. See how it is animating. Bottom sheet animation. Whenever it is removing the animation, it will remove the search view only. Search view itself only it will remove. Okay. The next video we'll focus on design part, how we can do that bottom sheet design. We'll focus on that one. Thank you all.